The topic is DDT. What is DDT? DDT is dichloro-diphenyl trichloroethane, commonly known as DDT, is a colorless, tasteless, and almost odorless crystalline chemical compound and ऑर्गेनोक्लोराइड यानी कि ये ऑर्गेनिक और क्लोराइड ग्रुप होते हैं इसमें. ओरिजिनली developed as a insecticide, it became infamous for its environmental effect. ये environmental बैड इफेक्ट डालता है environment पे, इसलिए इसका जो यूज़ है वो रिस्ट्रिक्टेड कर दिया गया है कुछ पार्ट्स में, कुछ कंट्रीज़ में. DDT was first synthesized in 1874 by a Austrian chemist Othmar Geldler. DDT's insecticidal action was discovered by Swiss chemist Paul Hermann Müller in 1939. DDT was used in the second half of World War II to control malaria and typhus among civilian and troops. ये DDT मलेरिया और टाइफस फीवर के लिए भी यूज़ किया जा सकता है, लेकिन इसका थोड़ा सा यूज़ कम कर दिया गया है क्योंकि ये हमारी हेल्थ पे बुरा इफेक्ट डाल. मुलर वाज अवार्डेड द नोबेल प्राइज इन फिजियोलॉजी और मेडिसिन इन 1948 फॉर his discovered for high efficiency of DDT as a contact poison against several arthropods. This is the structure of DDT. Dichloro-diphenyl trichloroethane, its common name, and IUPAC name is 1-chloro-4-2-2-2 trichloro ट्राइक्लोरो 1,4-क्लोरोफिनाइल इथाइल बेंजीन. इसका ये IUPAC नेम है. हम फिर से रिपीट करते हैं. 1-chloro-4-2-2-2 ट्राइक्लोरो 1,4-क्लोरोफिनाइल इथाइल बेंजीन. ये लगभग जो यूज़ है इसका 1950 से 1980 तक एज ए इंसेक्टिसाइडल एग्रीकल्चर में यूज़ किया गया है. और ये काम कैसे करता है? ये इंसेक्ट के न्यूरॉन्स पे अफेक्ट करता है, जिससे कि ये सोडियम चैनल ब्लॉक हो जाता है इसका, और उनको पेन लगता है, वो बर्दाश्त नहीं कर पाते हैं इंसेक्ट्स और वो मर जाते हैं. DDT is similar in structure to insecticidal methoxychlore and acaricide dicofol. It is highly hydrophobic and nearly insoluble in water, but has good solubility in most organic solvent, fat and oil. DDT does not occur naturally, and it synthesized by consecutive Friedel-Crafts reaction between chloral and two equivalents of chlorobenzene. In the presence of an acidic catalyst, DDT has been marked under trade name including Enofax, Cijarex, chlorphenothane, dicophane, dinoside, gaserol, gaserpan, gaserol, gyron, neocid, etc. The chemical formula of dichloro-diphenyl trichloroethane is C14H9Cl5. The molar mass of this chemical compound is correspond to 354.48 gram per mole. Under standard condition, The density of this compound is roughly equal to 1 gram per cubic centimeter. The melting point of chemical compound is approximately equal to 108.5 degrees Celsius. The boiling point of chemical compound is approximately equal to 260 degrees Celsius. DDT is poorly soluble in water. For all practical purposes, this compound is insoluble in water. The solubility of dichlorodiphenyl trichloroethane is correspond to 25 microgram per liter. Between the 1950 and the 1980, DDT was widely used as agriculture industry agents insecticide, and the use of DDT to control disease like typhus and malaria. DDT acts upon sodium channel, जैसा कि आपको पहले बता चुके हैं. Thank you.